Morning, good morning, everyone. I am your science teacher. Today we are doing chapter number 15 from market to home. Please open the EVS books and please open chapter number 15 in it. As you all know, this is a story of a girl whose name is Vishali, and his father is a vegetable seller. In his whole family, there are few people named Amma, Bhaiya, Chotu, and she herself. Help They used to wake up at 3 in the morning. Like everyone used to sleep at 3 in the morning, but they used to wake up at 3 in the morning. Why? Because they have to sort the vegetable. As his father is a vegetable seller, so they have to wake up at 3 o'clock and sort the vegetables so that they can go to sell the vegetables on time. When some people are asleep, they start their work. The vegetable sellers start their work. They begin when Babuji, Amma, and Bhaiya take out all the previous vegetables from a gunny bag and basket and sort which one is good and which one has been spoiled. And this is a very big task, and this is to prepare for the bringing the fresh vegetable from the mandi. At 6 o'clock, they get a noise from the outside, and Babuji and Bhaiya and his uncle are prepared to go to buy the vegetable from the mandi. And Chotu helps the family by sorting the vegetable with Vishali and Amma who are left behind. Now it's time for Pap Babuji, Bhaiya, and Chachu to leave for Monday in a tempo. While Babuji is away, Amma and Chotu are preparing the gunny bags. They are sprinkling the waters on the vegetables, as you can see, so that the vegetable remains fresh. At 6:30, Babuji is back from the mandi and the baskets of sags with him, and he put all the vegetables in front of them so that they can put the fresh vegetable behind and the previous day vegetable on the top, so that the previous day vegetables are not spoiled. At the time, their house is just like a vegetable market. There are brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, okra. Okra's name is bhindi. Pumpkin, gourd, chili all around the house. It looks like a small market. Everybody helps in sorting the vegetables. The vegetables which are not fully ripe and ready to set are kept aside. We have to set all the vegetables fast because his father has to leave the house and reach bazaar as early as possible. This is because if Babuji doesn't reach on time, his regular buyer will buy the vegetables from another vegetable seller. So Babuji leaves the house at 7 o'clock and reach over there at 7:30. At 7:30, he reaches over there and starts selling the vegetables. Chotu attend the school in the afternoon and give all the lunch and vegetables to his father and Babuji and go for the school. And Vishali leaves the school in the morning. Sometime they have to come back to his father for helping Babuji. Even Chotu helps in sorting the vegetables, and the vegetable seller always sprinkle the water on the vegetables so that the vegetables look fresh and nice. As the previous day vegetables are sold, Bhaiya takes out the old takes out the fresh vegetables from the cart, and he sprinkles water because in the summer time the vegetables get dry. So to look them as fresh, they sprinkle water on them again and again. Babuji and Bhaiya return at home. A long day was there, and they return at 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock, Chotu and Vishali start sleeping, and everybody sleeps at 11 or 11:30 because they have to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning again. So they get only 4 hours of sleep. This is a story of all the vegetable sellers. They used to do it every day to earn their living. So please, students, I request you have some sympathy towards vegetable sellers, vegetable carts. Whenever they sell you the vegetables, look properly. The vegetables are not spoiled. They give you the vegetable at correct amount, correct price, and help them whenever you see them in the place they want help. Thank you. Today's chapter is finished. Bye.